Hey y'all, my sister cooked dinner today, y'all. So we finna try her food out today. Let me show y'all what she cooked. My sister cooked some delicious mashed potatoes, meatloaf, and sweet pea. Here's the meatloaf. She didn't cook a whole lot now, y'all. And here's the delicious mashed potatoes. And here's the delicious string beans. Okay, you guys, let's try it out. Try her delicious meatloaf out. This her meatloaf. Y'all, it tastes good. She did good, y'all. My sister did, y'all. This old mashed potato, nice and big. String beans. Y'all. My sister did good. Okay, you guys. Y'all be blessed. Talk to you later.